what is common between FirstCry, Droom Technologies, PharmEasy and BoAt? Well, all four of these companies delayed their IPO plans and BoAt in fact raised 500 crores through the private route. Let's understand the reasons stated by them. BoAt said that it wants the market conditions to be favorable and further wants to grow in the smartwatch segment. They intend to be the market leader there using both organic and inorganic approaches. Now let's know what's the another possible reason. 11 startups since 2021 were listed at an overall valuation of $72 billion and are currently trading at $32 billion. So what do you think? Is BoAt scared of its IPO's fate or is it just another strategic move? Let us know in the comments below.